Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. My name is Muhammad ZIKRY bin Muhammad ZAIDIE 281579, and today I will be explaining on how to choose the weight of moving average in order to do a weighted moving average. In order to determine the weight for the weighted value to perform the weighted moving average, we need to do a trial and error experimentation after we check the trend and the seasonal pattern for the stock that we have choose. After we determine the period for us to perform this moving average technique, we assign the weight randomly, but the most recent weight have the greater value than the past weight, and the sum of all of this weight is equal to 1. Other than we assign the weight randomly or do an trial and error experimentation, we also can use the some software such as Excel. In the Excel, we can use the Excel problem solver for us to get an optimized weighted value. To get an optimized weighted value by using the Excel problem solver, first of all, we need to put our data in this Excel sheet as usual, and then we need to calculate the weighted weekly moving average by using the random weight that we have assigned before. So here, this is the formula to get the forecast for the weighted moving average, and then we clear the content in the weighted part. We doesn't need to worry because this is linked together with this forecast. And after that, we choose the data tab here or at the top of the Excel, and then we click the solver here, and then and the solver parameter will appear. So firstly, we need to set the objective. So in this example, my objective is I want to reduce this MOHD. So after that, because of I set reduce, so it means we need to minimize. So we click the minimize, and by changing the variable cell is which cell we need to which cell will be the variable cell. So here, our weighted value, and then we add the constraint for this solver parameter. We click the add, and for the first constraint, we need to choose weight 1. Weight 1 must be lesser than weight 2, right? So here, so we add. So next is weight 2 must be lesser than weight 3. So weight 3, we click add, and then weight 4 must be lesser than weight 5. So at the constraint, we choose weight 5, add. So the total weight here, the total weight constraint, the sum of all of the weight is equal to 1. So 1, we click add, and it must be all of the weight must be greater than 0 or equal to 0, and it also cannot be negative. So here we change this symbol and we put 0, and we click add. So after all of the constraints has been completed, we must check it. So here is all of the constraints for this example. So we unclick this, and for the solving method, we choose GRG nonlinear, and then we click solve. And okay, and an optimized weighted value will be appear here, and all of the data will be changed because it already linked together.